Hi, my name is Chetan. I'm 16 years old and I'm addicted to fidget spinning. It started a few months back when it wasn't really popular. My friend introduced me to it and ever since then, I've been hooked. I use it practically everywhere. While eating, studying, taking a shit, and even sleeping. Like literally everywhere.
Chetan, what the heck are you doing? Well, good night then.
Honestly, I think it's been the best addition to my life.
His spinners are taking over his life. He doesn't talk to his friends or family anymore. Most of his friends are not in contact with him. He's fidget spinning his life away. Whoa, this Liu Yang in lorry is pretty good. It sounds a bit weird though, but yeah, it's quite lit. Wow, it's a new song tomorrow. Chetan? Chetan? Chetan?
Almost done. Woo! Wait. Where the heck do you go?
I really don't think I can take this friendship much longer.
But why?
Why do you think so?
So I buy most of my fidget spinners online. I think they have really good designs, so let's go. It's not that good. Whoa, look at this. It's pretty good, right? It's quite cool. And it's only $116. That's so less.
How much money have you spent on this so far?
Around $4,000.
Where did you get so much money?
Obviously, YouTube views. Okay, let's buy it. Okay, I gotta get my credit card. Mom! Fidget spinners are amazing. If I was to be totally serious, they made my life complete. I'm never gonna stop fidget spinning, no matter what happens. Okay.